Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you what to pack to Vietnam for moving to Vietnam, because I moved to Vietnam 6 months ago and I brought way too many clothes with me, and right now I'm gonna show you what I packed with me and what you should avoid bringing and what you should bring here. For example, how many warm clothes items I needed for Vietnam for cold rainy season, and what did I bring with me that I never use, that is totally useless, how many pair of shoes to take to Vietnam. I've been living in Vietnam for over 6 months now and I accumulated too many clothing, and I'm moving out from this apartment in 2 days, so I need to organize my clothes. And good news is that Doris Pa from Da Nang is organizing a donation for victims of the recent flooding in central Vietnam, and they messaged me if I can donate some clothes or food or medicine. So it's perfect opportunity for me to donate my clothes I'm not using for the victims of the recent flooding. This is such a great, let's do it together. If you are considering to moving to Vietnam and you want to spend here, let's say 6 months or more, you don't really need much because most of the time you're gonna end up wearing always the same clothes. If you go to the gym a lot, you need some gym bras and shorts, like gym items. And if you want to protect your skin, you need something like to wear on you, but I don't really use these clothes that much anymore. Now it's rainy season and a lot of times I'm using like a long pants. I also got a lot of clothes in Vietnam, like this shirt. It's so nice. It's like a cotton shirt, very light, and I paid for it only $5. So you don't really need much clothes here. I got so many custom clothes here, or I even got here these jeans shorts in H&M in Da Nang, Vietnam. So honestly, I regret I didn't come here in the first place with empty backpack, because majority of the clothes you see here I actually purchased in Vietnam because they're so cheap, they're so affordable. So this is not everything. I also got this beautiful pink dress in Saigon. My god, what I'm gonna do with it? I have some hats, of course. I don't even use them. I have 4 hats. One like this, one like this. This one is a bit small. It's too short here. There's also this hat. It's way too small for my head. I think I need to donate it. These 2 hats that are too small, I'm gonna donate them for victims of floods. And I also have this hat, like to protect my head, my face from the sun. I bought it in Lotte Mart. And this hat I brought from Europe is actually a very basic hat, you know, just to protect your head from the very high sun that is here during the dry season. So I'm gonna keep those 2 hats. You don't need much more. And these 2 I never use, so they go for the donation. So as I mentioned, you need some gym bras if you're like going to the gym a lot, and you need some gym shorts, you know. Then you need like some, I have here my pajama. You need some tops like this for Vietnam. I use them sometimes but not often. Not right now because it's quite cold. Recently, it's, you know, now we have like a rainy season. I also have linen pants. I made them in Hoi An. Very cheap. It was only like 800,000 Vietnamese dong. And I used them only once. Typical. Okay, more clothes. I really like this shirt. This is like linen shirt. So it's good when it's like very hot weather to protect your skin from the sun. I use now a lot of this top because it's quite cold. These shirts, I really like them because they're from Oysho and I really love Oysho. And I got them in Europe, in Luxembourg, but I never wear them. So I think I'm gonna donate them. Because if you don't wear something, let's say in the last 2-3 weeks, you have to donate it. I have one hoodie I brought with me from Europe and I always use it when I'm cold. So bring at least 1 hoodie with you. I have also this very nice mini skirt. I think I'm gonna keep it. Just use it sometimes. This top I never use. I think I should donate it. Yeah. Never use it. Actually, I didn't wear it even once. My gym clothes. I have some gym shorts like this one. I need this for the gym. Here I have another one for the gym. Here I have some top. I bought it in Saigon in H&M. I really like it as well. I use it now for my few other videos. very comfortable because it's so elastic. So of course I'm gonna keep it. So most of my clothes actually you see here, it's from actually Vietnam, you know. I got a lot of items here. If you're traveling abroad, you need internet, and I have 15% discount for you for Saily eSIM with my code Nomadic Claudia. Just download the application on your phone, choose the country you are traveling to, and at the checkout put my code Nomadic Claudia to get 15% discount for your mobile data. Right now I'm flying to New York City and I got 10 gigabytes from Saily. Get my promo code Nomadic Claudia and enjoy your 15% discount for your mobile data. You can also scan QR code here or put the code Nomadic Claudia at the checkout to get 15% discount for Saily eSIM. Okay, here I have some swimsuits. So I have like one piece swimsuit here, and here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different swimsuits. Way too many. I don't even use them. Here I have new Nike bra that's actually matching very nicely my current Nike leggings I'm wearing. So I'm gonna keep it because I got it recently in Saigon. Okie dokie. When it comes about the shoes, I moved to Vietnam with only 3 pair of shoes. So which shoes I took here? I came here with my favorite and I use them the most. Those are my Birkenstocks. I got them in Portugal, in Porto. Back there, I think I paid only like $60 for them. They were quite cheap. Now I think I checked recently in Saigon and they were like 120, so double the price. So I really like them. I use them mostly walking in a daily basis to grocery stores, walk to the beach. Then I have my very comfortable On shoes. I need to clean them. They are like for if I walk somewhere longer. They are amazing walking shoes, very comfortable, very nice for trips. And I have another one. I thought I'm gonna use them, but I actually never use them. My sandals from Decathlon, very cheap, basic ones. I thought I'm gonna need them because when I was in Thailand 2 years ago, for 2 weeks only, it was very hot. It was February, and I remember that I needed such shoes to walk and to have like some breathe, some air in my feet. But now I live here in Vietnam and I'm kind of like I adapted to the weather. It's also not as hot as in Thailand that time, and I actually never wear these shoes, so I think I'm just gonna donate them because they only take space, or maybe I might need them. But you know how it is. It's like you might need them and you think like, oh, I need these shoes. I should not get rid of them. And then you end up like having them always in your wardrobe and you're never gonna even wear them. So I only brought this 3 pair of shoes here. I bought 1 slippers here that I use for a house. And that's it. Everything is so cheap here. You can also find very cheap shoes and items here. When it comes about backpacks, I moved here to Vietnam with this little one backpack from Osprey. It's like hiking backpack. I have it already since like 5 years and it's amazing quality. I use it if I go to cafe work or something like this. I take it with me and I put laptop inside and some drink. I also have a big backpack, 50 liters. I moved here with this big backpack. Initially, I put my clothes here, but if I want to, let's say, move now to another country, I will not fit all these clothes that I purchased here in Vietnam into only this 50 liters backpack because I have too many clothes. So I need to get rid of them. That's the issue, you know, like I moved here with too many items and now I don't even use all of it. I use like maybe only 30% from it. So I have this big backpack, and also recently I got a little suitcase here. This one. I bought also this cute blue suitcase in a Mian market. It was quite cheap. I think it only costs me around $9. Very cheap, very nice, light. Because I traveled to Saigon for 1 week, so I needed to pack some of my clothes for 1 week. And I didn't want to carry a backpack. So I took the green backpack from Osprey for Saigon for my laptop. And this one, I put my clothes there. So now for moving out, I have a bit more luggage to pack my clothes, which is good. I also have this one. I have it already a few years with me. I really love it. How do you call it? A fanny pack? I don't remember, but whoop. Yeah, I use it like this, or I use it like this, or I put it like here. So basically for a little item just to take phone with me if I go for a walk or something. So yeah, I have this backpacks, like the big one. The big backpack I have small backpack and a suitcase that I recently purchased. So I see all of it and I feel like I have too many items. I still need to do laundry. I have so much clothes also still. So those are my old clothes, like items. I basically moved here with too many clothes, and I'm so disappointed about myself that I purchased so many items that now I have to get rid of them and donate them. But it's actually very good that I can donate some stuff. So yeah, that's my items, like donation, what to pack to Vietnam.